We're so excited to present our vision for ITN Country and for our technology platform, ITN Rides version 2.0. Our vision is to make community mobility available to every small town in America. And we're going to do this by bringing affordable, world-class technology to small communities. Esri, the world's biggest GIS company, has donated the routing and logistics algorithms. And we're so proud of this partnership with Esri because it's the foundation of a really feature-rich user experience that we're building. And even the smallest of communities will be able to use state-of-the-art map data and technology. And we're also really proud of our partnership with Salesforce. And we selected Salesforce because it is the best platform to build an application that is really robust. The technology is always current. Salesforce updates it 3 times a year. It's really secure. Salesforce takes care of the core infrastructure, so it decreases our administrative overheads because they take care of servers and the database and the security system, so we can really focus on our core mission. And it's highly scalable. As far as the platform, our capacity to scale to many small communities is practically limitless on Salesforce. So these in-kind donations from Esri and Salesforce have really given the project a huge boost because all of our technology must be funded privately by philanthropy. So in our approach to create secure, user-friendly, accessible software, we engaged a design firm to engineer a really great user experience. After working through the discovery process with us, we landed on these core design principles. The application should be predictable. The user should never be surprised. It should be secure, trustworthy, and transparent. We want the user to think, I feel confident using this portal. And we need it to be accessible. All users, abled and differently abled, will enjoy using this application. And it should be easy to use, the foundation upon which everything is built. And you can see on the left-hand side here, some of the work that was done through discovery to hit on color combinations that were high contrast and that would work for people, for all people, including those with visual impairments. And on the right-hand side, you can see an example of the beautiful user interface that was designed. It's simple, it's clean, it's easy to use, but it has all the information necessary to effectively manage people with special needs, and so on. So with our 20 years of experience and 1.3 million rides working on ITN Rides version 1.0, we now have our roadmap for 2.0. And we worked with a large and inclusive software development group with representatives from many stakeholders. We included numerous affiliates, executive directors, volunteer drivers, rides coordinators, board members, and other stakeholders, including transit providers in the ITN Country pipeline, mobility managers, and existing ITN Country sites. So we're really trying to be inclusive in building software that serves everybody's needs. And we want it to be not only just accessible, but a great user experience. And we want to build that experience and that accessibility into the core of the application from the very beginning. ITN Rides will truly be the enabler of mobility for all. And so with our first 2 phases complete, and the first phase being discovery, and then the second phase being the design engagement. And as part of that, we also did the prototyping for our connection to the Esri routing engine. That was kind of a pretty complex piece, and so we fleshed that out and have that working already. And in this project, we've designed 3 portals. So there will be a staff portal for ITN Country and ITN sites. There will be a driver and volunteer portal, and there will be a customer and rider portal. You can see on the left-hand side here is a screen from the customer portal where they can see their membership, their account balance, their billing information. And again, you can see how it's clean, really easy to use. And on the right-hand side is an example of how the application is also being designed to be mobile friendly. So drivers in particular will be able to get their manifest and view it on their phone. And this is going to really help the accessibility of the system. So as we look to the road ahead, our goal is to complete phase one and roll it out nationally by the end of this year, truly embarking on the digital transformation of IT in America. Phases 2 and 3 are planned for the next couple of years, and we're actively working with that diverse group of users and stakeholders to flesh out the ITN Rides application roadmap for the next few years. So we're really listening and working with our users and our stakeholders to try to take care of everybody's needs as we build this accessible app. So we're really excited about our future. We're excited about the future of community mobility across the country and the road that lies ahead for all of us.